Hi there, my name is Christy Childs, and I teach about how I make money online, doing all kinds of different things. Here is one tool that I absolutely love, and it's free. It's called Linktree, Linktr period EE. So go in there, you create a free account, and they do have an upgrade, but I always use the free account. And it's as easy as this. You just want to say you want to add a link right here. You can put in your website, your shop. I'm going to put in my Stand Store right here, and then I'm going to tell you about Stand Store. So if I'm just going to copy and paste, and I'm going to add that, and then it'll give you the option to name it. So right here, I'm going to put, let's see. I'm going to put some emojis because it draws attention. So I need a space right there. You want to use anything that helps you stand out online, and this does. Okay. It creates curiosity too. And then you want to put something like a hook, it's called. Something that gets somebody's attention or causes curiosity. Like this. Okay, and then see what I love about it is it's dynamic, meaning that as I add it over here, it adds it over here. And even though I have taken my link, which if you do this right here, it gives you your link to share. And say I decide, I want to change that. I don't have to go into all of these places where I have put my link tree and change it. It will automatically change it for me. So if I have this link in TikTok or Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, on my blog, in an email, doesn't matter where, I only have to change it in one place. I love it. I love it. So if I were to unpublish it here, I don't want to delete it. All I have to do is just toggle that switch, and it will hide it. It is the best thing ever. Now, the other thing that is a really growing like hotcake trend on Instagram is something called a Stand Store. It's called a store. It's a Stand Store, and it's short for Stanley, which is their AI robot. So let's go into the administration. Well, first of all, this is what my Stand Store looks like right here. You can actually add all your products and then a download link. And what is so awesome about a Stand Store is, and I guess you could also say it stands alone. It's not spelled the same, but it's the idea that you can set up links to sell something within like 15 minutes. You don't have to go through this long, full, labor, hairy, complicated website. You literally can set this up in 15 minutes. It's that easy. And all you do is, choose a button. Choose a button, and then you can sell digital downloads. And that's what I do. I sell done for you digital downloads. And I'll show you that at the end of this video. But what the beauty of this is, you can take this storefront and say you have websites, you have other links that you want to show. You can actually put your Stand Store link in your link tree. Okay, so you can put that here, or you can just use one or the other. Doesn't matter. I use both. Okay, and the reason I like Stand Store is it speaks the language of people on Instagram. They're all about Stand Store, and it is very easy to check out with a Stand Store. So if I were to go here, you have like this little mini sales page you can make. You could just do a few lines. You don't have to do all of this. You can put an image here, and then you can actually add a video. I added a video that I had put on TikTok and Instagram. And then you put a price, and it's super easy for your customer to check out. It's super easy. Now I'm an affiliate, so I'm going to put my link below this video where you can get a 14-day free trial. But let me go in and I'm going to log in. And I just opened this link. I opened it and closed it, and I opened it back up. And just doing a couple little videos on Instagram and TikTok. This is how many views. This is my income from earlier in the month. And does it work? Yeah, it works. It works great. So if you go in and you set up a store, you can edit the design. You can choose a color. You can choose, you know, this is the minimalistic look that Instagrammers love. So you can choose this actually right here, which is what I see a lot of people using on Instagram. But for me, it doesn't just, I don't know, the products don't pop. They just sort of blend in. So you can try different templates. I like this one because I think it's more defined. And research says that people like blue buttons because they're easy to see. Like you don't want to try to buy a product and not be able to figure out how to download it. And I've had people ask me before if I made it too pretty, where's the buy button? Okay, so you don't want people asking you where's the buy button. You just want them to be able to find it. See, here's another one. That's really pretty. Huh. And so you can change it. I mean, you could go in and change it every day if you want to and see which one brings you in more sales. It's usually about the content and your copy. And what is your copy? Your copy is the words that you use to get people's attention. Open your Stan Store right now, 14-day free trial. That's from Stan Store. That's really good copy. Copy is the words you use to get someone to click. And remember, people, especially with social media, and people sit on their phones, and I do too at night, scrolling through hundreds of videos. So you have like 3 seconds to capture someone's attention and to get them to click on your thing, whatever it is you're selling. And I sell digital downloads and courses. And I'm also an affiliate marketer. That's what I do. So if you were to go in, you could choose a theme, and then to add a link. Right here, just click on store. And then as you change it over here, it will change over here and you can see what's happening. So if we were just going to add a product, you can collect emails, book a time, e-course, webinar, your affiliate link for Stan Store. You can promote this. And I do sell a digital download. You can choose a button. Let me move over here. A call out, which is a call to action, which is what I use. And then this is a little preview button. Learn more. Okay, so then you would go to your checkout page and you would put your hook right here. If you were selling a book about knitting, you know, best knitting patterns I ever found. If you were selling an ebook about recipes, you could say Grandma Smith's recipe handed down to 10 generations. Whatever it is, this is where you would put your hook right here. Put your hook. Then right here you would put what they get. Here is what you will get. People want to know, what do I get? Is it an ebook? Is it a video? Is it a course? What is it? So right here you would put, this ebook will teach you everything you need to know about ... whatever that is. And then right here you can do get my guide, purchase. You can put add to cart. You can change it. You can change it to say add to cart. And then you would up right here is where you deliver it. And your file, you can actually put your file in, say you do an ebook about recipes, or how to make a Canva template, or how to walk your dog without driving yourself and the neighbors crazy. I mean, you could write an ebook about anything that you know that people are looking for, and you can do that and just upload it here. You can go to Google Drive, which is free. Google Drive. If you don't have a Google account, just make a free Google account. You know, go into Drive. And right here, Drive. And then you would simply choose New and then File Upload. Okay, and these are my files. Upload it, and then it'll give you a link to share, and that is the link that you would put inside your Stand Store. Going back to Stand Store, and I have too many tabs open. Right here. So you would put either upload the file or redirect it, and you would put your Google Drive link right there. And then you would publish it. Okay, you could choose the image. They actually have stock images in here. Or you can make a really cute one in Canva. Boom, and you've got your first product. You've got your first product right there. So you would just hit publish, and that's it. You put a price on it, boom, you've got your first storefront. It is as easy as that. Okay, so again, it's my affiliate link. Try Stand Store free 14 days. See if you like it. You may love it. If you don't have any other way to sell something online, you're going to love Stand Store. I use Stand Store. I use Shopify. I have my own website, and you know, you really don't need anything. When you're first starting out, you need three things. You need something to sell. You need somewhere to put it to sell. That's this, the Stand Store. And you need an audience. And if you are on any of the social media platforms, pick the ones that is your favorite and start learning how to market on there. Okay. As far as done for you courses or done for you ebooks, I have some right here in my Shopify store. Right here, it is a done for you ebook on how to open up a Stand Store. That means PLR means that you can turn around and you have the private label rights. You have the rights to turn around and resell this product. And anything else on my store that says PLR, you can turn around and resell it. All of these. You can turn around and resell. If it says PLR, you can turn around and resell it on your own Stand Store. Okay? And I have a lot of PLR products on here. That means that you can download it, put up your Stand Store, and go on social media and start chatting it up, or just take a screenshot of your product. Say, for example, that you downloaded this digital planner. You could just take your phone and take a screenshot of the digital planner and then load it up and put a link to your Stand Store. Okay? And all you would do is when you add a product, you want to sell a digital download, you would put beautiful digital planner. And I'm going to update my store with 2024. Beautiful digital planner. Download now. Okay. And then what you would do is you would download it from the shop, buy it, download it, go to Google Drive and upload it to Google Drive. Take that Google Drive link and put it in your Stand Store. Right here. That's where you would deliver your beautiful digital planner. And then all you need is an audience to sell it to. People love digital planners. It's already done for you. Already done for you. So all you have to do, go purchase it, download it, open up your Stand Store, preferably through my affiliate link. I love it. Thank you. And then start screenshotting it on social media. The Talk, the Gram, Facebook, YouTube. Seriously, just do it. Don't overthink it. Just do it. Just try one. Just try one. Start with one. There is also an unbelievable opportunity that opened up, And it's a community, a course, templates, resources, tools, everything. It's like an all-in-one toolbox where you can learn how to build an online business. And if I were starting over today, this is where I would start. And I bought it for $497, but I am giving a payment plan, which I wished I had found early on. And it's, 99, you can get started today for $99.40. And the bonuses that I offer are so unique because I created them myself. Okay, these are my particular exclusive bonuses. So check them out. You get a lifetime membership to Printables and Planners Club where you get 5 PLR printables similar to these that we just saw. You get 5 of those every month, plus you get video pins. And let me show you the video pins. And it's for the lifetime of the course. Okay, so these are the video pins, and you get 10 new ones every month. And you can promote your PLR with these.